I know Yuda Girsang with Pico the last year sent to Australia Navigator College, get scholarship from Navigator College, a month stay in Navigator College. And Yuda always have achievement too at the class every semester, and then Yuda ever get Olympiad for the winner too. And then for Yuda, every time give the best. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Yuda Girsang and I'm a 12 student at SMA GKPS 1 Pamatang. I was born in Bekasi, but now I chose to come to Pamatang Raya for my school. Born on January 10th and 28th, I'm the youngest student at SMA GKPS right now. I'm proud to study at SMA GKPS because I have had many unforgettable experiences. The most remarkable one is being able to participate in a student exchange program to Australia for almost a month. This experience helped shape my personality, especially in terms of discipline and mutual respect. In addition to that, I won the first place in the National English Olympiad held by National Achievement Organizer. I also constantly practice my English to be better. Moreover, being announced as one of the top 6 winners in the grand tryout by Universitas Malumut has truly shaped my vision to my future. Therefore, I also express my gratitude to the school, especially for the principal, teachers, and the entire academic community of SMA GKPS 1 Pamatang. I may not be able to give more than just say thank you, but yeah, I hope God blesses us all. And finally, once again, I would like to thank SMA GKPS for trusting me as a student in SMA GKPS 1 Pamatang. Thank you, Shalom, and Horas.